Effective leadership is not just about directing. It's about inspiring, empowering, and unlocking potential. It's the cornerstone of every successful business. The time is ripe to step away from traditional leadership models and step into a realm of untapped potential. Welcome to Maximizing Your Potential, a strengths-based leadership experience. This 6-week virtual workshop, starting on Tuesday, April 23rd, is thoughtfully crafted for both those at the helm of businesses and their teams. Each 75-minute session is woven with insights and interactivity, promising a transformative journey for both personal and professional growth. Your guides on this exploration are none other than Steve Bousquet, co-founder of Green Profit Academy and Gallup Internationally Certified Clifton Strengths Coach, alongside Christine Era, also co-founder of Green Profit Academy, and author of the renowned Profit First for lawn care and landscape businesses. The workshop offers a unique strengths-based approach. It shifts focus from fixing weaknesses to leveraging your inherent strengths. It's about igniting the power within and channeling it to foster team collaboration and set new standards of excellence in your organization. What's more, all sessions are recorded. If you miss a session, you can easily catch up at your convenience. And here's the cherry on top. Enroll yourself and get an exclusive 50% discount for each additional team member you enroll. Empower your team and amplify the benefits of this workshop across your organization. So, don't wait, there's a seat with your name on it. Scan the QR code or follow the link to register. It's time to maximize your potential and redefine leadership. See you there.